Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through unlocking the chat feature on Roblox so you can finally talk to other players in-game. This process is straightforward and doesn't even require an ID card. Let's jump right into it. If your chat is locked, the easiest way to fix it is to try and use it inside a game. Launch Roblox and join any game you like. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. Look for the option that pops up saying Unlock Chat and select it. You will be redirected to a verification page to prove you are old enough to use the feature. Roblox now has a feature to estimate your age using just your camera, so you don't need to upload a government ID. On the verification page, choose the option Age Check with Camera. Click Continue and allow Roblox to access your camera. Center your face in the oval or circle on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. It will usually ask you to turn your head left and right to prove you are a real person. Once the scan is complete, the system will verify you immediately. Roblox will estimate your age. Simply press OK to confirm. That's it. Your chat is now fully unlocked, and you can type and communicate in games immediately. You are now ready to chat and make friends on Roblox. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.